Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a change to a Wikipedia entry. My audience for this is anyone who belongs to an organization, like for instance a university, that has changing statistics, changing people, and people who are really close to that institution have the best knowledge and they can share it with the world. So here I am on Western Oregon University's Wikipedia entry. And I have logged in as myself here, so I created a username, so all of my changes that I make will be recorded. So if we go back to this Read tab, this is what the Western Oregon University Wikipedia entry looks like. Now I'm seeing over here in this box that it lists the provost as Rob Winningham. He's the interim provost, but actually he was recently named the permanent provost. So I'm going to edit this to take out interim. And then there's some statistics here for number of students that is quite out of date. It's from fall of 2014. So we do have some more updated information and I'm going to edit those. So you just go up to the top here, you click on the Edit tab, and it's going to open this edit for you. So if you click on this box here, it'll say template generated from Infobox University. So I want to edit this, and then it opens up a window here that has the different information. Here we see the mascot is Wolfie, but he actually spells it with an IE. So I'm going to correct that too while I'm in here. And then Rob Winningham is our permanent provost. And then down here we have the number of students, which is different. So fall of 2014, I have opened up some web tabs here. I went to the Western Oregon University homepage and I just searched for institutional research, and they serve up the data for the numbers for our enrollment. And this document here shows the enrollment summary for fall of 2018. So our total student population was 5185 and we had 4648 undergraduates. So I'm just going to go back here. Undergraduates, we changed this to 4648, and we will change this to fall 2018. So we can just click Apply Changes here and click Publish Changes here and describe what you changed. Spelling of Wolfie, mascot, to Wolfie. Rob Winningham is no longer interim provost. And enrollment numbers for undergraduate students to reflect 2018 numbers. I'm not going to say this is a minor edit. If it was just the Wolfie thing, I would say that it's minor. And then I can also click to watch this page. So because I'm logged in, if people make changes to this page, it's going to send me some notification here. So the template parameters changed here. We can check out the visual, publish our changes. And so here we are. We look over here. We've updated it to Rob Winningham. And we see that our undergraduates numbers have been updated to fall of 2018. So that's just a pretty easy way to contribute to the community. You can view history by clicking here, and it tells you who has made these changes. So here I am, Kara Westervelt Parker, and I put the changes that I made. So that is how you update a Wikipedia page.